He can either replace the battery of his iPhone himself, or go to an official store or repair shop. Today, he will provide a super detailed tutorial on replacing the battery of an iPhone 12. First, he removes the 2 screws at the bottom of the phone. Then, using a suction cup and some isopropyl alcohol, he gently pries open a gap. The iPhone 12 series screen connector requires extra caution when disassembling on the left side. First, he needs to remove the cover of this connector. He must be careful when removing the cover. Every screw from Apple varies in length and thickness. He drops isopropyl alcohol to slowly soften the adhesive. This allows him to remove the battery. The next step prevents a pop-up message about the battery. If he doesn't mind the pop-up in settings, he can simply buy a pre-made battery. Next, he extracts the new battery cell. He then solders them together. After soldering, he repackages it. Now, the battery has been prepared. Next, he takes out the adhesive roller to clean the waterproof adhesive. Yes, the bubbles from the glue on this battery should be removed. It's best to turn it off. He reconnects the battery cable. After connecting, he secures the screen. He puts the cover back on to test if it can power on. He exits safely. If he sees this and still cannot replace the battery, he should check quickly. Look for him in the lower left corner. He will help him.